Ho, ho, ho! Santa Zeb here with a little friendly Christmas advice. Do yourself a favor and stop asking for aftermarket floor liners for Christmas. If you drive a GM vehicle, ask for GM floor liners. Why? GM floor liners are designed by the manufacturer to precisely fit in your GM vehicle. They'll cover your carpets perfectly and provide outstanding protection. Think about it. Oh goody, more milk and cookies.
Oh no.
Now imagine that being on your vehicle's carpet and getting stepped on over and over about 7 billion times a night. Yuck! But with GM floor liners, you can easily pop them out, clean them, and lock them firmly back into place. And as you'd expect from a GM product, they'll match the color and complement your interior nicely. So, if you want the ultimate interior protection for your sleigh, ask for a set of quality floor liners from GM. They're factory tested and Santa Zeb approved. Ho, ho, ho!